Kima buya kima na ndo mwanchu morigeri andonse asoringo kwarigani gocha SMS iti amangana maya indetinya ka to kuimanya ali abiriko bakagwatika kurwa chingo ngonye chense igati alitora chikunya ko bato korigeri asinga kechiga neringa Omoteri koru Osoro gongorwa gusi asirita Embarambamba niko anyariko bagakoruserwa igati ebitango biriko nyora anyariko bagakobekiru amoni kyombekiri ko nyaka bagikorenga chifilm gose chivideo chiko nyaka bachikobeku mtandao immense ya Kenya boigo umuwaziri bw'uburundi bw'imekitsure kindiki kobwate nani ganyariko bagakoraria amachiko amagiya ye serikali ya yora chiko nyaka bagakorwania obotumekibwe binyugwa byo gotindi immense ya Kenya aboigo company iri kunyara kabage koena na amariogo immense ya Kenya Kemsa mwasuit kuria rero ngwanya ko bakwigura ekyombe gose igetugia Kemsa ime county ya Nairobi ime county ya Kisumu asegetu ikira kunyara kabage konya bwitane ti county ikomichire angena Kisumu Tariana ni gongoro kwa Hesbon Bosire eyamo ase yamo ni gongo kumnyakia wika ase amagacho ye bunge enene yogotoka ime county ya Nairobi abo asomo chifu ipunando oromo bunge wechinsemo cha South Mugirango Sirfana Osoro Daktari Ezekiel Mutua na boigo muwakiri Danstan Omari na boigo Omoteri ikiatakuru Osoro gongoro abusi uyo manyakainte muna Embarambamba banyako bakora igikaro na kuligeria aliye anyatako bagakobekerwa amone kyombekeria kikunyara kabage korenga chifilm chivideo chikunyara kabachikobekwa ase mtandao kauko na kumwegerera Embarambamba Danstan Omari kanyako bagakonika buna Omoteri yota bwati nguru cyo chikwakana obwaini obwanya tukabakagwa kwa amone kyombekyo ase korinde banyariko bakoboria amatera make aria anyara kabagakurusuwa aso mtandao se YouTube ande ayande aliabwate ogoseme gochia aso mwana inchi anyariko bakagotigara ase ensemiyo korengana na Daktari Ezekiel Mutua anikanyariko bakakoneke buna ekyombekyo eganga yaye no koneke buna ngokine bare ebiagwa immense ya Kenya nabo gonkurigeria bare aso boime alia konyaka bakakobekwa aso mtandao muna inchire ya moyo gokonya kosomia umwana inchi ukawaida.
The main point that we had here today was to find an amicable solution, and we agreed that going forward we engage outside the main judicial process and maybe engage or let me say outside court process and engage the ADR. We are limited to the ADR for now. Of course, not the witchcraft one that our former Chief Justice said, but at least we can be able to talk on how we can solve this whole issue together. And like you saw, Embarambamba has already started acting on some of the demands by KFCB, which he knows, he has facts within his knowledge. And that in itself has shown a bit of some remorsefulness and, acting within the law as the body may want him to operate under. But of course, in terms of business, he still progresses with his business and worship and praise, at least with the limitations of what is acceptable in society.
Baba, just a few days ago, I think on Saturday, and we agreed to start a process to see how we can change this amazing talent and creativity and energy into something that will promote our moral values and culture, and where we use this energy of Embarambamba not to destroy society but to build society. While Kenya Film Classification Board has to apply the law, we met under the leadership of Mheshimiwa Osoro in a very informal but conscious way to see how we can resolve this issue out of court. And I'm very grateful that Wakil here and the Kenya Film Classification Board have agreed that we'll actually remove this matter out of court and we'll deal with it from an ADR perspective.
But meanwhile, the ban had caused a lot of problem to all the KC leadership. The chief whip could not sleep the whole of yesterday night. All the community was up in arms that Embarambamba, because that is our brand in music, was now out of circulation. It also came to my brother, Ezekiel, Mutua, which you know that he is the boss of Embarambamba. So in solidarity, my brother and my brother reached out with me. We decided to engage the entity in a manner that can resolve this dispute. So we have had a discussion and we've agreed that this matter does not need to go to court. This is a matter that we need to forge a relationship. Embarambamba has a following of more than 5 million people worldwide. If he's put out of circulation, those who watch him will sue Mutua and they'll sue the chief whip because their role is to ensure artists, if they have made a mistake, they are corrected. They are not punished. As lawyers, under Article 159, we know that we can take these matters to ADR.
Ninaenda kusaliwa mupya, ukiona hii sura, ninaenda kusaliwa mupya. Kwa hivyo, support me, subscribe my YouTube channel and enjoy. Wow.